Good morning, everybody. It's 9 o'clock in November. I am standing on my terrace roof at the moment, and I want to show you my solar system today. You can see the surroundings. The sun has just risen over here, and here are my first two solar panels. They are facing east with a small angle, so the snow can easily slide down. Here with an even steeper angle, also facing east, another two solar panels. So I have a total of 4 solar panels with 410 watts each, and they are at the moment all facing east because this roof is kind of made for this direction. Maybe I will add some more solar power on this side of the roof so it's facing east. And yeah, this is optimized for the winter times, so snow can slide down. In summer times I have more than enough power, so everything is optimized for the winter times. Yeah, as you can see, sun is up and it's a beautiful morning here in Bulgaria. And I go inside and show you the rest of the system. We are now in the house. This is where all the magic happens. 2 solar panels each are connected to one of these smart solar MPPT charge controllers. So 2 panels goes to the battery bank with 8 times 50 amp hours lithium iron batteries from Renergy. They are connected in parallel, which makes this a 24 volt system. Here we also have a battery computer that tracks all power that goes in and out of the system. We are now at 82%. If we are at 100%, if it's fully charged, I can live with this power at least a week without any sunlight, because this is almost or around about 10 kilowatt hours of power, and I need around 1000 to 1500 watt hours a day. Here is my inverter, which makes 230 volts from the existing 24 volts. And this goes into a normal (200 volts) house system. What else? I also have 24 volts consumers, like heating element in my boiler that goes directly here and then in the kitchen. Here everything, all the chargers and inverter is getting connected here and then goes into my Raspberry Pi, so I can keep track of all the values, make some calculations, and based on the power I get, based on the power I have, I can shut down or turn on different things like the boiler, for example, or I have a small Bitcoin miner. I have an electric heater in the bathroom, so if I have a lot of power, I can automatically turn it on or shut it down. If you're interested to know how this system is calculated, if you want some more facts about costs or how I get along with this system summer and winter, how much power I produce, or how I programmed my Raspberry Pi, let me know in the comments, and see you in the next video.